This is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is December 3rd, 2023, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the Russell 2000 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. All right, let's take a quick look at this Russell and see where it's at right now. The Russell is on the move. On the quarterly chart, let me zoom this down a little bit right here and zoom in a little bit right here. The Russell does what it does. A couple of years ago, I had noticed how the Russell was going sideways. Then last year, the Russell dropped down to a range. Then it started going sideways again here. The question is, what is it going to do next year? And what is it doing right now? Right now, the Russell is on a up move. What is fourth and final quarter of the year, and the thing is, will it break the pivot? Number one, the Russell, looking at my big picture here, I do not think it will make even yearly highs. Definitely, I don't think it's going to run all the way up here and make all-time highs. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at these on these lower time frames and see what we see here happening here on the Russell. On the Russell, it's one of these ones, as you can see, it's got a cluster of stuff going here. This is just what a sideways market looks like. I had set up some ranges earlier, and these if you've been watching my videos and seeing my videos, these ranges has been here, just about all year long. Because this started late last year when the market actually made a bottom and all. And it has stayed within this range. It's a pretty wide range, but it has stayed in this range all year long and all. And as we can see right now, based on the technicals, the Russell is back above the 9. Technically it is bullish. It's not like it's looking bullish. It is bullish, at this time. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, we can see that the market had made its bottom and it's been making its move to the up. It has got past my midway point that I have identified for myself here at this point. It is approaching my cloud. This last week was a very, very strong week compared to like it was a couple of weeks ago. It might take a little bit of a rest before it actually gets up here and break 1900. Will it break 1900 next week? I don't know. We're going to be fighting this little supply that we have right here in this area before we get up here to start fighting above my cloud and fighting that supply. That's what I see. All right, let's just jump down to the daily chart and look at this daily noise that was happening last week. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more because last week I had identified this little range, this little pattern that was happening right here where this market was kind of like making higher lows but wasn't quite making higher highs. Usually when you see something like that, you expect what we finally got on Friday, and it gave us that breakout that we expect, and that's what I was expecting, and that's what we see here on the chart. And that's why right now, coming next week, on these weekly pivots, I do see us opening above pivot. So that's why I'm saying I can definitely see us getting close to 1900. We might go to an R1, and if we have a strong week, like the Russell has been doing when it's on the upward swing, it will get above 1900 next week. So I do expect to see the Russell going higher, but we have to kind of like wait and see what actually happens. It might just start trending sideways again like it did here, after a big move. But that's what I see here on the Russell. This is Solomon, and that's all I have today. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.